Hello dear subscribers, welcome to Magical Profits. So today I'm making this video in order to share my knowledge on user interface of TradingView and also the options and tools that are widely used and especially which I prefer using in my daily trading routine. Okay, so let's just get started. So this is how it's gonna look once you open your TradingView account. So slightly there could be different options, but overall it's gonna be like this. And coming to the firstly, I'd like to say you that there are multiple options in TradingView, but I'll take you to those options which are useful, yet informative and easy to handle in your trading journey. Okay, so first coming to the first one, here on the left top corner we have profile icon where you can see all these options. Currently I'm holding darker theme. You can choose the lighter as well, and this is the drawing panel. It is currently enabled, you can disable it, and these are the preferred languages. These are the cursors, and this is the lines category where you can see all the lines, so you can explore all this. Firstly, I'll give you a brief introduction and a tour on TradingView, and later on I'll deep dive into all these tools. Here you have the Fibonacci category where you have multiple Fibonacci tools, and here you have patterns where you want to, for some swing, you want to mark those patterns. So in that case, you can use all these patterns. You can use this projections for long and short positions, and I'll show you. So when you click on this you can set the target, you can set the SL with all these projection tools. And here are the brushes and the arrow shapes tools. You can use it for marking something. And here are the text and notes where you can just click on this and write down if you want to make note of something. And this is the emoji category. And this is the measuring scale, which is like I use it in my daily trading this thing. So when I click on that, so if I want to measure this fall, I can see that it took 109 bars in this particular portion. It fell 1062.1062.55 points. So I get basically information of this portion when I just put the scale. And this is the zoom in and zoom out options of the trading view. Like you can just zoom in and you can see the bars, and when you want to zoom out, you can just click on reset chart, right click and click on reset chart. And this is the lock option. So when you draw something on your trading view, you just don't want to get disturbed right while scrolling the chart, so you can just opt for this option. Okay, so this is the basic things on the left hand side drawing panel. And coming to the main thing, this is the search bar. So basically you can search anything and everything, every element that is being traded in this world in trading view. That is one of the most benefit of most beautiful advantage of trading view. And here no matter what stocks, NSE indices, cryptocurrency, forex currency, you can choose everything in this. You can search everything in the search bar. So this is the symbol that I'm currently trading on Nifty, and this is the ask and bid prices. These are the time frames that I choose. Basically, I choose scalping in Nifty and Bank Nifty. So I just star these up. So see, when I star, it automatically appears here. Okay, so this is the advantage. And here are the candles. So there are different types of candles, but basically we choose trading in candles only. Like see, halo candles, we have volume candles, which shows the volume of the candles. So we prefer in normal candles category. Okay, and coming to indicators, so we heard there are multiple indicators in trading view, hundreds and hundreds of indicators. These indicators helps us, like basically an indicator is like a supporting tool. Okay, so when you want to trade something with some kind of support, like in order to analyze the volume or with the Fibonacci retracement values and everything, you can choose this indicator. You can also explore this, go to community and choose trending, so you can explore all these trending indicators. And if you find something that matches your trading pattern, you can favorite them. You can just do it like this. You can go to this and favorite it. Okay, and you find this indicator in your favorites. So these are the templates. So if you want to create multiple templates with different stocks and with different indicators, you can just open template here, choose it. I'll show you. Open template here. You can create my I have only one currently, so you can choose a template with different indicators and different stocks and save it. Okay. And this is the most important option, alert option. So when I click on this, I'll be able to put an alert. So if I want to keep an alert if the price is crossing this, okay, 50,000, right click here. You can either choose it from here or here. Right click here, choose this. And also there are options also. If you want to choose, if you want to choose to get an alert if the price is crossing up, so you can choose this option. And if you want to choose if the price is, if you want to get an alert if the price is going in a bearish trend, so you can choose this. So you can see all these and put an alert according to your wish. And replay mode is one of the beautiful mode of trading view, because people who backtest, who tend to backtest more, they get to know the importance of this replay mode. So basically I do this a lot for backtesting different indicators and my strategies. So when I click on replay mode, you can basically select whichever bar you want to go back to. Like, see, if I want to replay the chart from here, so I cut it here and see, put my preferred indicator and see if it is working or not in real time. Okay. So you just don't have to wait days and days in order for testing an indicator. You can just directly go to this option, go back to the duration and replay it. Okay. Here, the best part of trading view is you can also do paper trading in trading view, which is not available in different brokers. So if I want to buy, so I'm just clicking on buy and play. Okay. So here you can see, right? So you can predict and you can see how far it is working. These are the speeds of the replay mode. And yeah, you can cancel this mode like this. And here is the layout setup. So here, by choosing this split screen, you can access to two different stocks or two different charts simultaneously. So if I want, if I have bank nifty here, if I want nifty here, I have to click on the chart and choose my second chart. So here you can see bank nifty here, you can see nifty here. So like this, we have multiple layouts also here. I don't think all these layouts are available to us. Some need premium membership subscription. So I don't think two layouts would be, I think two layouts would be enough for us to trade. So I prefer using these two split screens. And if you want to unselect this, you can click on this. And don't forget to keep saving your chart, because when you do some exercise, when you do some trading analysis drawings or put indicators, when you close it, it automatically gets deleted. So you just have to save it, so that when you close it and open it back, it appears the same as you left. And this option is especially for beginners. So when you want something quickly and when you don't have any idea where a tool exists in these many categories, you can just, if you want to, for suppose if you want to go to Fibonacci category, so you don't know which category is it, you have no time for that, so you can just write Fibonacci. So if you write it, all the categories, all the tools related to Fibonacci appears here. So similarly, if you want to create an alert, so you can write down alert here. So you see here you have all the options: create alert, reset, restart, delete all the alerts, open alerts, everything. Okay. So this option is like a search option for every tool. So these are the settings. Here you can change the settings for your bars. You can change the colors. You can create borders. You can remove the wicks. You can change the colors of all these things, all these three things. And you have status lines. You have logo. You can unselect all these things. See, for suppose if I'm unselecting logo, here logo disappears. So if I'm unselecting title, so title disappears here. So these all are minor options which we don't generally, we just let it be as default. And coming to this is full screen mode, and in order to exit it, you can click on escape. And this is the snapshot snapshot option. You can download this image, you can crop, you can copy, you can also copy this link and share it with your friends and do the analysis. You can also put it in open new tab, you can tweak this image, you can do multiple functionalities here. Okay, and this is the publish. So when you create some idea, when you create some indicator, you can also publish in this trading community indicators list. Okay, and coming to this is the watch list. So in upcoming video I'll show you how to create different watch list, which makes us to access quickly any stocks or forex currencies. You can just access it quickly with the help of watch list. So this category, alerts category, have all my alerts included here. These are the alerts that I'm currently having, and I can also remove these. I think we have certain alerts only for subscription unsubscribed people, for not premium subscription people. So according to that, we have to choose alerts wisely. So when once you done trading in Tata Motors or anything, you can just delete this alert. Okay, so these are the alert options. So I'm just saying all the basics that you can just go to and start your trading in trading view. And these are the charts. So what is happening and what are the opinions, what are the news that is currently going on, you get everything here. Public, private, you can also have private messages here for yourself to have a quick look on. And these are the option chains you can see. I'll show you. So in brokers we have option chain, right? So here we can also explore this option chain. And these are the calendars that if you want to see what has happened in previous month or previous year, you can explore the options here. And you can, this is the community feed where everything, people post their analysis and what is going to happen and their opinions. And coming to this, these are the notifications you generally get, or comments when you subscribe something, you want to be notified, right? So you get all those here. And coming to this, here this is the calendar option. So when you click on this, you can go to different date. Okay, so if you want to suppose see what has happened this day on October, so 7th of October, you can choose this. And you can also choose the time. So you choose 1:30, go. So see, we have directly gone to 7th of October, the starting time. Okay, so like this you can back test. So you can go for 1 day, 5 days, 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, whichever you want. So here on time frames, basically these time frames, 1 minute denotes, see, 1 minute means this one candle completed in 1 minute. So if 2 minutes if you choose, so this candle took 2 minutes to complete. Okay, so similarly 1 hour, so this candle denotes 1 hour momentum of this trade, particular chart. Okay. So that is why we say and we also prefer to draw resistance and support in higher time frames. So when we choose higher time frames, we get candles of maximum price momentum candles. According to that, we can just draw the resistance and support. So yeah, this is all for today. And if you want more uh, deep options like I have shown here, Fibonacci and all, I'll be covering all of them in the upcoming video. So this is the basics of TradingView, and you can just go open your TradingView account and check all these options personally. Okay. Thank you so much. Take care. Have a good day.